Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A5 Pro, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and enter more security and privacy. And here we have to scroll to find installation sources. So here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. And of course you can change it, just find the app and tap on the switcher. Simply tap on allow, and from now on the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on this switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.